Sipario is a new product within the regeneration project created by Nardi to regenerate used plastics. I conceived this project to separate the outdoor spaces in two different situations, private and public. As in theatre, Sipario, the curtains, divide the stage from the audience, so Sipario creates a permeable membrane separating the two spaces. The design of the module composing the partition is orthogonal. It's regular, square, and you can enter this permeable square pattern. I designed this lattice in an asymmetrical way so that it can be composed quite freely. You don't have any repetition in the pattern. The rounded shape, the rayed shape with joints, and the slightly streaked surface, as well as its dark hue, make it a material that is visually and tactically pleasant material, similar to trees, branches, foliage. As well as the visual and tactile aspects, the system is very easily and versatile. Mounting the different parts is very easy. The basic element is integrated with an elbow tube, as well as with a joint, and you can fasten this fastening element very easily by inserting it. These elements have two snapping clips each, and you can mount it this way. It's very easy, very practical. After composing the basic element, you can compose this system endlessly to create temporary architectures that are as variable as your creativity. This basic element can be composed with further elements, both on the side or above or beneath, by means of this snapping clip to fasten the different parts, as well as creating a very interesting movement. So you put them side to side, you use the snapping clip, which is quite easy to do. Then you can see how the modules can also move. The movement of the modules is a very interesting aspect. It interrupts the linearity of the partition, thereby creating curved, orthogonal walls or walls with the shape you prefer to create very diverse spaces according to your needs. After composing the wall with the different modules, we have a further element that is very interesting, a planter with two functions, stabilizing the partition and making it freestanding. And then the second function is to plant green inside. This planter is very special. It's a self-watering planter. You can pour a large quantity of water inside, and the plants will get as much water as they need. Two further aspects characterize this planter. The cavity. Here you can pour water and water will reach the bottom of the planter without watering the soil. Then you have a visual indicator, a water gauge, to indicate the level of water in the reservoir. The benefits are apparent. The well-being of plants. They don't run the risk to have little water at disposal. And then you can reduce the frequency of watering. Therefore, Sipario is not just a product, but a whole system, making it possible to mount it, unmount it, compose it, recomposing according to your needs. It consists of few elements, modular elements, regenerated materials, and a self-watering planter for the well-being of plants and to save time. As in a theatre, Sipario curtains open to create endless solutions for our outdoor living.